Today we are going to solve this equation to find a. Solution: 8 power a into 8 power a equal to 200. A power m a power n equal to a power m plus n. We are going to apply this here. 8 power a plus a equal to 200. Now 8 power 2a equal to 200. Take a log on both sides. Log 8 power 2a equal to log 200. Power log formula: log m power p equal to p log m. This we are going to implement here. So log 8 2a equal to log 200. Divide by log 8 on both sides by log 8 by log 8. This log 8 cancels this log 8. So we have 2a equal to log 200 by log 8. Now this 200 can written as 8 times of 25. 2a equal to log 8 times of 25 by log 8. 2a equal to log 8 plus log 25 by log 8. This 2a equal to log 8 by log 8 plus log 25 by log 8. This log 8 cancels this. So here 1. 2a equal to 1 plus log 25 by log 8. Now 2a equal to 1 plus log 25 can written as 5 square by log 2a equal to 1 plus, this can be come here. They made this also as per the power log formula. 2 log 5 by 3 log 2. Now 2a equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 by log 2. As per this log formula, log a by log b equal to log a base b. We are going to apply this here. 2a equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 base 2. Now a equal to 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 base 2 by 2. This is a. 2, check with the equation 8 power a times of 8 power a equal to 200. Now a is 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 base 2 by 2. A power 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 base 2 by 2 times of 8 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 base 2 by 2 equal to 200. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. As per this formula, we are going to apply here 2 times of 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 base 2 by 2 equal to 200. This 2 and this 2 get cancel each other. So we have 8 to the power of 1 plus 2 by 3 log 5 by 2 equal to 200. As per this formula, equal to 8 power m into a power n. A power 1 times of a power 2 by 3 log 5 base 2 equal to 200. 8 here. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 times of 2 by 3 log 5 base 2 equal to 200. This 3 and this 3 get cancel each other. So we have 8 times of 2 power 2 log 5 base 2 equal to 200. As per power log formula, this 2 comes here. So 8 power 2 power log 5 power 2 base 2 equal to 200. 8 power 2 log this 5 square is 25 base 2 equal to 200. Therefore, a power log b base a equal to b. This formula we are going to implement here. Formula 8 times of 25 equal to 200. Now 200 equal to 200. So LH S equal to RH S. That's verified.